Okay, guys, here's the screencast for creative writing on Wednesday the 23rd. Um, Pretty straightforward day. We're looking at second person today. So if you scroll down to the bottom of Portfolio 2, you're going to see two documents here. The first one is called Second Person Notes. And if you click into this, you're going to see some just rules regarding second person. This is using you, your, or yours to address someone directly. We call it the commanding voice. It's really not common in fiction. But we use it a lot in short addresses. We use it a lot in letters. If you have when you guys have kids, you will use second person a lot. When I say like eat your vegetables, it's you eat your vegetables, or don't hit your sister. Second person all the time. It's the commanding voice. I took Spanish, so this is adding te to the end of a verb where you're saying cállate, like you shut up right now. And what I'm asking you to do today, there's kind of the quick summary of the rules here. What I'm asking you to do today is in this second person piece. The document right beneath here is a second person assignment. You're experimenting with second person commanding voice. And so what I want you to do is kind of mimic this Edward Abbey piece, which is down below, and I'll let you guys read it on your own. But you can see it's second person right out of the gate. Don't burn yourself out. You don't burn yourself out. There's got to be some first person mixed in because, again, the person writing the piece is the first person storyteller, but the first person in this is telling the second person what they should and should not do with their lives. You're commanding them. Here's what you should do. Here's what you should not do. You're going to mix in I's here and there. You see it again at the bottom. I promise you this. I promise you this. I promise you this. You will outlive the bastards. The you is the one that's performing all the actions in here, and you'll see in the middle of it: encounter the Grizz, climb the mountains, run the rivers, breathe deep the sweet lucid air. Like, these are the things that he deemed important. And so your goal today is to, in about 300 or so words, it says with bullet point 300 or so words, type this up in that document that's attached here with the second person assignment, this letter of advice here. Type it up, and you want to write, and you don't have to make it formal. This whole bit about writing to a grandchild a letter that they're going to open on their 16th birthday. It doesn't have to be that formal, but you want to think in the future, you as a 15, 16, 17, 18-year-old kid, what are the greatest learnings that you've come up with in your 15, 16, 17, or 18 years that you would probably share with someone you care about down the line, whether it's a child, whether it's a grandchild, whatever. Hey, I don't know that much about who you are, but I know what it's like to be a 16-year-old kid, and here's the three most important things that I could tell you to live your life well. Do this. Don't do this. Don't let other people this. What are those 2-3 ideas? You want to not just make this a bullet pointed list, but you want to tell little bits of your story as to why you think those are such crucial ideas. But that's the whole goal of this second person piece. Write a letter, write a commanding piece of text that's going to tell this person how they should live their life to live it well. Sorry you missed us today. Have a great afternoon.